Okay, let's go over some highlights of the syllabus. So this will be for Math 210, Intro to Statistics, and this will be an 8-week online course. Okay, so let's talk about some ways to get in contact with me. You can either call me or email me or set up a meeting with me through Cisco WebEx, and that will be through Canvas. I'm available from Monday to Friday, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Okay, so a little bit about this course in the description. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be learning the fundamentals of descriptive and inferential statistics with an emphasis on inference. We're going to be looking at analyzing data, probability distributions, estimations, confidence intervals, hypothesis testing, simple linear regression, correlation, and non-parametric statistics. Now this course is 3 lecture hours. And make sure that you have a C or better in college algebra, which is Math 110. Now the textbook that we're going to be using is OpenStax Introductory Statistics textbook. So this is completely free online, or you can go to the bookstore and get a hard copy of it. I'm not sure how much you would have to pay for that, but you could get a hard copy if you wanted to. But if you want to not pay for a book, you can access this online for free, and this will be on Canvas as well. So the additional materials or technology requirements that you would need, you need a laptop with a reliable internet capability and a built-in camera or an external camera. Now we're going to be using the camera for Honor Lock, which is going to be used for our exams. Now you are required to have a calculator. You can have a basic scientific calculator, or you can have a graphing calculator. Either one is fine for this course. Okay, so the assignments that you'll have for this course, you'll have a departmental quiz, homework, 2 unit exams, and a final exam. So the final exam is 30% of your grade. Now the final is a requirement and it cannot be waived regardless of what your grade is at the end of the class. Okay. It is also going to have a comprehensive element, meaning everything that we learn throughout this course is going to be on the final exam as well. Now the unit exams, they will be 55% of your grade. The homework will be 10% of your grade, and I'm going to drop the 3 lowest homework sections automatically. So just to give you a little wiggle room, just in case you bomb 1 or 3 of the homework assignments. Now to find your homework, this is going to be all on Canvas, and you're going to find them under the Quizzes tab. We also have something called the departmental quiz, and that will be 5% of the grade. Now you will have a departmental assignment there to help you get ready for this departmental quiz. You will also have an interactive video that will help you get ready for this quiz as well. Okay, there will be practice exams for each of the unit exams. So I have a practice exam, I have answers to those practice exams, and I have step-by-step solutions for the practice exam as well. So I would take those in preparation for the actual exam, and if you run into an issue and you still can't figure it out, then please contact me and we can talk about that. Okay, let's talk about some extra credit opportunities. At the end of the semester, I'm going to look at your average homework grade, and if it's 95% or higher, then I'm going to add 3 additional percentage to your overall course grade. Okay, so I'll just add 3% to the overall course grade if your homework average is 95 or higher. Now for each unit exam, I'm going to have a bonus question, and those are worth 2%. I'll add it to that exam. I also have bonus discussions for each unit exams as well, and those are also 2 percentages, and I'll add that to the exam as well. Okay, now grade and information. Now your grade is based on you and your performance in this class, so it's a rating. I'm not going to compare you to everybody else. That would be a ranking, okay? So it's solely on you and how you do with the assignments in this course. Now the final average will automatically round up to the next whole number if the average is 0.5 or greater. So if you have an 89.5, that will automatically round up to a 90 for your final grade. Okay, now the grading scale, 90 to 100 will be an A, 80 to 89 will be a B, 70 to 79 will be a C, 60 to 69 will be a D, and 0 to 59 will be an F. Okay, so these are the items that you can have on exam day. You can have a pen, a pencil, you can have a graphing calculator, or you can have a non-graphing calculator, either one. You are also able to use Excel on the exam as well. You can have blank scratch paper, and you'll also need Honor Lock. Now, Honor Lock is a proctoring service that we're going to use, and what you need to do is you need to scan the entire room, including your desk, your workspace, your calculator, and go ahead and scan your blank scratch paper as well. Only you are allowed in the room while taking the exam. Only the materials that you should have for the exam should be there while you're taking the exam. So the pen, the pencil, the blank scratch paper, and the non-graphing calculator or the graphing calculator and Excel. Those are fine during the exam. Your phone should be in a completely different room, nowhere near you. Make sure you have no music or television on. You don't have any headphones on. You don't have a hat on. And these are just a few of the guidelines. There's additional Honor Lock guidelines. Those are on Canvas under the Modules tab. Now, if any of these rules are violated, then you will have a 0 for that exam. So make sure you go through these rules right here. And I'll also have an Honor Lock practice quiz, so you can see what you would be looking at, how you would set it up, how things would look, and what you need to go through. So we do have a practice quiz for Honor Lock. Okay, now make sure that your computer is fully charged or plugged in while you're taking the exam. If your computer dies because of a power source, it had a low battery, then you will have a 0 for that exam, and I won't be able to let you retake it or give you extra time for the exam. So make sure your computer is charged or it's plugged in. Okay, now for this course, what we need to use is Google Chrome. So use Google Chrome for every single assignment, everything within this course. Okay. Now, if you have a technical issue, please make sure you send me a photo or a video of what's going on so I can give you an extension or an accommodation if needed. Okay, attendance. So attendance is recorded by you completing an assignment. It's not by you sending me an email or just simply getting onto Canvas. It's by you completing an assignment. Now, I can use participation, and I can apply a 0.5% to the student's final grade at the end of the semester. So that means that if you are really trying and you are doing your homework and you are really applying yourself and you are between letter grades, then I can use the 0.5% to bump you up. Okay, make sure that you check Canvas, so Canvas policy, make sure that you check Canvas at least twice a week. Make sure that you have a Canvas account, and also make sure that you have an LA Delta email address and that you are able to use it. Okay, the last day to withdraw from this class is February 24th, 2020. Whoops, I had that backwards on here. Now I have it fixed. It's February 24th, 2021. Okay, some types of academic misconduct is cheating, fabrication, plagiarism, violations of class rules, and misrepresentation. Now, if any of these occur, these are the actions that could follow. Loss of partial credit for the assignment, reduced grade for the course, grade of F for the course, 0 assigned to the test or assignment, academic probation, counseling, academic suspicion, and expulsion. Now, hopefully none of those actions will have to be applied, okay? Now, everything that I just said could change, okay, because the syllabus is tentative, all right? But if something does change, which it shouldn't, but if it does have to change, then I will let you know through email or through an announcement. Now, if you have any other questions regarding this course, please contact me. There is a full version of the syllabus located on Canvas as well.